Hey y'all, welcome back to another episode of Griddle Porn. Uh, Hopefully we'll get back to griddle porning at some point. Hopefully. But in the meantime, we're in a new part of the country, new town, and there's some incredible food, so I might as well share my adventures with you until we get back on track with griddling. Anyway, we are at Johnny's place in Des Plaines, Illinois today, and they have lots of the usual offerings of Greek type stuff, gyros and chicken, and they have hot dogs and burgers and steak and all kinds of stuff, salads. What did we go with? So glad you asked. Philly cheesesteak. And it may have been a mistake to... And there's the fries. Look at that. Anyway, hold on. Okay. Stay there, don't fall. I know this may be a mistake. Trying to eat this in the car. I don't know what I was thinking. I thought the sandwich wasn't that huge. That's what I was thinking. The fries are your typical frozen crinkle cut fries. At least they're cooked and not wimpy, floppy fries. I hate floppy fries. Okay. Man, this thing is huge. I almost afraid to take a bite. Okay, the bread is toasted. And it's a huge chunk of bread. So the sandwich and the fries were like $13.99. So you got your money's worth out of that, for sure. Man, stay on the fork, dude. There we go. There's the meat, the cheese. Nicely seasoned. It's pretty darn good. There's onion and bell pepper and mushrooms on there. This is just the bread, nice and toasted. Bread's good. Yeah, there's no way I could pick this up and try to eat it. I would have it all over me, the car, my clothes, my beard. Ooh, there's a nice big bite. Look at that. It's good stuff. It's a thumbs up. Get a thumbs up for non-wimpy fries. Guess I'd have to give the place a 4 stars out of 5. Maybe if they could hand cut the fries themselves and crisp them just a little bit more, that would be the only way to get a little bit more out of that. But this is really good. That beef is good. It's huge. So that's it. Thanks for watching. Thanks for bearing with me, and we'll see you next time.